everyone. This is Jim Carroll and Eric Rattay with another day in the life for Acumatica ERP. Today we're going to tackle bank reconciliation, which is a three-step process. Talking of three steps, the thing that we also like to point out with Acumatica are the items that make it differentiated in the marketplace. One is it's extremely friendly and feature-rich, and we hope to show you that with our bank rec feature today. The second is that it has automated processes baked into the software, kind of like having a 7x24 no-cost employee. And the third thing is the Internet of Things, and we'll discuss that as we go through the bank reconciliation process, because Acumatica supports the automation of input of files from the bank into Acumatica for their disposition. So Eric, please take it away.
Thank you, Jim. So let's go to the banking workspace, and in there we see with the little stars, which are my favorites, the three-step process. So first of all, we have to import the bank transactions. So take the bank statement from our bank website and import these transactions in. After that, the second step will be to match these transactions with the transactions that are in Acumatica. And the third step will be to finalize the reconciliation statement and then print a report. So first thing first, let's go to import bank transactions. So let's look at one that has already been done. So let's create a new one, actually.
All right.
I changed my mind again. Let's take one that has been done. So by hitting the plus sign, you can select the cash account, and then you would go here to upload the file that you downloaded from your bank website. And what would happen then? You would have something like this, where you see all your transactions that are coming from your bank. And so the next step would be to go and process bank transaction. So let's go there and open this up. Of course, you can go from one step to another with some action at the top. So at the left panel, you see all the transactions that were imported from your bank statement. And then here, you see all the transactions that are in Acumatica. So the system will try to match whatever transaction that are on the bank statement with some payments in Acumatica. And it will calculate the relevance percentage based on the criteria that you decide. And then second step, if the system doesn't find any payment, then it will try to match to the invoices. So it can be either AP bills or AR invoices. And if nothing works, you don't find nothing, then the system will offer you to create a new payment. So let's say that you have monthly interest or you have bank fees, that these bank fees may not be entered in Acumatica when you're processing the bank reconciliation. So therefore, you can create a new transaction into your cash management module just by selecting an entry type, such as bank fee, and the system will automatically create a transaction when you process this match. And since we don't want to do that every month because we don't have this trouble, you can set that as a rule, so that next time the system would see this kind of entry, it would offer you to create this bank fee automatically, so you don't have to do it anymore.
So this is fantastic. So if we go back to that, step one, I can either generate a file and upload it, which would be like uploading a template, a CSV file, or Acumatica can automate that process. And then step two, it says, oh, on the left, I have all of these deposits that went into the bank. And first question is, am I matching to an order that's been prepaid in Acumatica? And we match all of those. Then after we do that, maybe these are payments for outstanding invoices, which is the second tab on the right, and it matches to that. Third, after I've gone through payments and invoices, I have some left. And in those cases, it could be like a bill or something of that nature, and so I have to create a payment, and then I can train Acumatica so the next time it's automatic. Did I get it right, Eric?
Yes, absolutely. So, talking about Internet of Things and also to upload the statement and also the artificial intelligence so that you train the software and it will learn from that and afterwards it will be automated, then this is absolutely what is going on here. So the automatch will do these steps that we just described, and once we process, then the transaction that needs to be created according to the rules will be created. And lastly, the last step would be to go to reconciliation statement.
Yep.
Where would have everything that has been cleared by the bank that will be highlighted here. So we just select these ones that have been cleared, toggle reconcile, remove the old the checkbox or the old stage release.
Got it.
And then we would be able to print the reconciliation report. And that's it.
So these are the transactions in Acumatica that have been fully check and balance reconciled with your bank statement, confirming that the deposit's been made in the bank, and similarly the order closed fully in Acumatica. Excellent.
That's it for today.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining A Day in the Life. Again, if you have any questions, please see the email addresses at the bottom, and we look forward to another day in the life.